guys, today I will share this with you, getting to know about isometric drawings in Procreate. Isometric art is a drawing or illustration style that makes two-dimensional figures appear three-dimensional. First, how to set your canvas to isometric. Go to Setting, go to Canvas, and then turn on the drawing guide, and then Edit drawing guide. At the bottom, select isometric. Yes, that one. And then at the option below, it looks good. I will not change anything. Then click Done. And then go to your layer and then set it to drawing axis. Next, I'm going to draw 3 dimensions of isometric. Okay, next let's draw isometric objects. First, set your layer to drawing axis and then start to draw an object. Next, I'm adding dimension. Now you see, this object has dimensions. It has depth. Okay, the second object, I'm going to draw a house. So set your layer, set it to drawing axis first, and then you can start to draw. Now I'm drawing a roof. It looks like pyramid. And then next I'm drawing a base. Kind of like I'm drawing a box. Yep. Then add a door and then windows. Okay, this is the third object. You don't need to set your layer to drawing axis because it's an oval. Even though a straight line, you can draw it without isometric. So I just want to share with you how to draw isometric objects and how to draw non-isometric objects. It's often when you draw isometric object in your artwork, sometimes you have to switch the drawing axis on and off. For this example, I'm drawing a pencil, so I don't need to turn the drawing axis on. The next object will be a tree. So from the shape, we don't need to turn the drawing axis on. But how you gonna add dimension? Because isometric drawing is about 3 dimensions, right? So for the tree, we can kind of putting a shade. I will show you. So I'm adding shades for the tree. It will be 3 different green color, from dark to light. Okay, for the last object, it is a circle, so you don't need to turn the drawing axis on. And I'm going to show you how to put dimension, or just adding shade of colors from dark to light.